Hello everyone, this is Athena with Saunders Property Management. I'm excited to show you one of our newest rentals. It's at 124 Radford Street, located off Reynolda Road, convenient to shops and dining. It comes with a one-car garage and a back deck. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. As you walk in the front door, you can see it's a nice open floor plan with a fireplace that has nice stone accents. This home has been fully renovated. Right off the front of the home, we have a storage closet and the first bedroom. We have a full bath in here. It includes a stand-up shower. We're gonna have to do some editing here, Mark. Right off the bedroom. No. Right off the first bedroom, we have a full bath, which includes a stand-up shower. Kitchen has new appliances. In the back here, we have the primary bedroom, nice vaulted ceilings, a second a second access point to the back deck, a second access point to the back deck. Through here we have the bathroom and the primary closet. In the basement we have the third bedroom. This is also where the laundry room is located. And a spacious bonus room down here in the basement, also with access to a back patio and the one-car garage. This property is at 124 Radford Street, off of Reynolda Road. For more information, visit our website at www.rentwinston.com.